Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. Let us continue the story The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. Right? In the previous session, we came to know that the good old man brought the ashes from the wicked neighbor's house. After that, he sprayed some ashes on the dried cherry tree. To his utter surprise, within few minutes, that dried cherry tree had grown blossoms. Some blossoms sprouted on the cherry tree. This story heard to the entire village. Even the wicked neighbors also came to know this. Let us continue the today's session. The covetous couple also heard the story and gathering up the remaining ashes of the mill kept them to make withered trees blossom. The covetous, wicked neighbors heard the magic power of the ashes, so they collected the remaining ashes of the mill, kept them to make withered trees blossom. They preserved that to change the dried plants into blossoms. The kind old man, hearing that his lord, the daimyo, was to pass along the high road near the village. The kind old man heard that his lord, the daimyo, was to pass along the high road. He was having a procession through the village along the high road near the village. So the kind old man set out to see him. He planned to watch that procession. Taking his basket of ashes, he took the basket of ashes. As the train approached, he climbed up into an old withered cherry tree that stood by the wayside. He took the basket of ashes and climbed up into the old withered cherry tree to watch that procession. Now, in the days in the days of the daimyos, it was the custom. During the rule of the daimyos, there was a custom. Custom means practice. When their lord passed by, whenever the daimyos would have the procession, at that time, for all the loyal people to shut up their high windows, they should close the high windows. The loyal people means the respected people. They even pasted them fast with a slip of paper. They would paste the slip of paper so as not to commit the impotence of looking down on his lordship. Impotence means rudeness. They should not dare to watch the procession as it was going on. So there was no one to dare to watch the procession. All the people along the road would fall upon their hands and knees and remain prostrate until the procession passed by. They would have the prostrate. Prostrate means it is a posture of prayer. Everyone would lie on the ground, having their face down, and hands and knees remain prostrate. This is about today's session. Read these two paragraphs. We will continue the story in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.